Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Getcontact app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, click here on menu down here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on settings here, just click on it. So then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on notification settings, just click on it. Then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. So then you come here to get email notifications when someone asks and you check for your number. Clicking this sign, like you see this color show for us, that's mean it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking,